Let's talk about third-party risk and mitigation. In addition to toolchains supported by the main mobile platform makers, there are third-party software development platforms often created to provide what are called cross-platform software development kits, or SDKs, that enable developers to create a single set of code for multiple native platforms. These cross-platform environments enable a team to use one language, one IDE, one debugger, and one SDK, but they also carry significant risks. Cross-platform tools are usually developed by smaller organizations with smaller budgets than the native software development platforms for mobile devices and other platforms. Cross-platform tool developers have to keep up with changes to two or more native platforms, designing and implementing platform-independent abstractions for new capabilities on two or more platforms. They are always running to catch up. Cross-platform development tools may not create cross-platform abstractions of all APIs on the platforms they target. This complicates having a cross-platform product adapt to a platform features, especially as new features are announced. While a native development environment for a platform will remain available as long as the platform is in use, third-party development tools are much more likely to exit the market for lack of revenue before the platforms they target exit the market. In some cases, relying on third parties brings with it substantial reductions in risk. Payments processing, user identity and account security, and regulatory compliance, as in, for example, HIPAA compliance in healthcare applications, and other security and regulation-intensive areas of system requirements. For these, relying on third-party components created by specialists reduces risk much more than adding third-party software to your system creates risk.